Hello and what's up everybody, welcome back to yet another video. In the previous video what we did is we collected two keywords which were Ali Abdaal productivity books and productivity books 2021. So these were the two keywords that were low competition keyword. Now there is a flaw in the second keyword because as though best productivity books 2021, it may be the low competition keyword, and the reason is because it's 2023 now and no one is searching for 2021, so this got rejected as well. So we have this keyword Ali Abdaal productivity books. So we got our keyword. Now with the help of this keyword we are going to generate an article with the help of ChatGPT. So what I did is I searched online and I found out I'm also a fan of Ali Abdaal. He's a YouTuber, so I know which books he recommends. So basically I made a list of the books that he recommends, and out of those many books he recommends, I chose only 4 of them. So basically none of the people on the internet is using these 4 books as a recommendation from Ali Abdaal. So basically this article will be a unique one when I ask ChatGPT to create these headings. So let's go. I copy this one, go into ChatGPT and say I want to create an article on keyword Ali Abdaal productivity books. And what I'm going to do is, if I say I want to create an article on this keyword, ChatGPT will start creating the article, but I don't want ChatGPT to start creating the article just yet because I want to give more information as well. So for this purpose I will just write, do you understand what I'm trying to say? So now ChatGPT will not write the article right away, but it will tell me whether it understands or not. So let's see if ChatGPT understands our keyword. Yes, I understand that you want to create an article. Okay. Now next thing is I want ChatGPT to use these headings. I'll just copy these. I want you to use these books and heading. So I want to use these books as a heading, list of books, and then I'm saying, do you understand that I want these books as a heading? Press enter. Now let's see if ChatGPT understands. Yes, I understand you would like me to create an article that includes a list of 4 books recommended by Ali Abdaal on productivity, with each book being given a separate heading. Okay, so ChatGPT understands what I'm saying here. Now I want to include something about myself. Now I also want to include my personal information. In the article. My name is Heather and I am a content creator. I also want to add call to action to check out my YouTube channel. So if you have a YouTube channel, you can also ask ChatGPT to generate a call to action to say in the article that please subscribe to my YouTube channel, to check out my YouTube channel. So that's what I'm doing. I'm asking ChatGPT to basically include myself, my name, and mention me as a content creator, and also add that make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So okay, I'm gonna write my full name. In the end I would say, do you understand? Let's see if ChatGPT recognizes what I'm saying. Yes, I understand. You would like to include your information, personal information, in the article as well. Okay, as a content creator with the name Hazrat Bukhari. Okay, so ChatGPT understands what I'm saying here. Now you can go on and add different stuff like so basically we are adding more and more information to make this article our own, because we don't want ChatGPT to copy the article from the web. So basically that's why we are giving more and more information. The more information that you can give to ChatGPT, the better it is. I want you to include at least 2 paragraphs. So we have a spelling mistake here. At least 2 paragraphs in each heading. Do you understand? So I'm doing this to make this more of a my article, because the more information we give, the better it is. Basically, we want 2 headings in each article. So after you are gone through all the information, you can basically cut your about section page from your website and also give ChatGPT and ask it to create an about section, etc., etc. I'm not doing it over here, but once we are done with all of this, we can say create an article including all the information provided. So now we want an article that includes all the information that we provided above. So let's wait for ChatGPT to create that article. Sure, here is an article. Boost your productivity with this 4 book recommendation by Ali Abdal. Okay, so it's creating the article for us. So it's adding information about Ali Abdal here. That's the first book, Make Time. Let's see if it adds 2 paragraphs of these headings. So we have here 2 paragraphs, and then we are good for the next book, 4,000 weeks, and then we will add 2 paragraphs over here, and so on and so forth. Let's wait a bit. Let's wait until ChatGPT completes it. That's the 3rd paragraph over there, and that's the 3rd heading over there with of course 2 paragraphs on the Pathless Paths book. So here ChatGPT have not yet added my personal information. Let's see if ChatGPT adds it in the end. Okay, so it has also created a heading for me about the author. Hi, I'm Heather, content creator, passionate about helping others achieve their goals. Make sure to check out my YouTube channel, etc., etc. So it has this YouTube channel. It added my name and mentioned me as a content creator, etc., etc. So basically we have everything we need, but I think ChatGPT missed this keyword, Ali Abdal productivity books, because I think I don't see the keyword in the article. So basically if you don't see the keyword too often in the article, just ask ChatGPT to optimize this article for the keyword, and then again give it a keyword, because sometimes it missed one or two informations. So we can again ask ChatGPT to do it. There is an optimized version of the article. Now here you can see Ali Abdal productivity books. Where is the keyword? Basically ChatGPT I think is not adding the information again, but it's adding Ali Abdal in separate places, as you can see, and it's also adding keywords like productivity books. So also it reduced it to 1 paragraph now, so I don't want that. We can again go towards let's ask something else. I'll just copy this. Let's do it this way. Add this keyword in the title and add it 2 times in the article as well. So I want this keyword to be added in the title, Ali Abdaal productivity books, and I want it to be added inside the article 2 times. So let's do it manually this way. So let's wait. Okay, boost your productivity with Ali Abdaal's recommended productivity books. So again, it added recommended here. So we don't want this keyword. So what we'll do is we will delete this recommended part over here. Okay, I think for now it is good. It's quite good. I like it, but we again missed the 2 paragraphs, and it's now 1 paragraph. It's okay, it's fine. Let's go with 1 paragraph now. Again, we can see here Ali Abdaal productivity books. We got the keyword over here. Okay, we got the keyword over here, but for the title, we will remove this recommended. I think it will get better. Okay, so we have our article, and I'll just copy it. Just copy the entire article like this, Control C to copy. And now we will move towards the next video, in which we will be publishing this article on our WordPress site, and I will show you how you can do SEO inside WordPress as well. Let's get into another video.